Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cars and Engineering. Today is going to be a little quick video explaining some discrepancies in my last video. I got a few things wrong and I'm just going to go through them with you now and clear them up. Stay tuned. Now, first things first, in that video, well, my previous video, I said that for every quarter turn of this is 1 turn of the crank. That was incorrect. I've counted the teeth on the actual driven gear, which is the cam, and the driving gear, which is the crank. The driven gear has 52 teeth. The crank gear has 26. 26 times 2 is 52. So 52 divided by 26 is 2. That's how it works. It goes one way and the other. So what does that mean? That means that for every 1 turn of the camshaft, the crankshaft is moving twice, which makes sense because there will always be 2 pistons up and 2 pistons down. So there's 2 cycles of the actual pistons going up and down. So that's discrepancy number 1. Number 2 is to do with the ports. And right here is discrepancy number 2. I said I'd be taking most of this material out so the engine can breathe better. On further research, it actually turns out that taking a lot of this material out reduces the velocity of the gases coming out of the actual combustion chamber itself, therefore harming performance. So instead of taking about 5 mil out, it will be tapered and it will be polished and ported, or it will be ported and polished, I should say. All of this material will not be coming out. Some of it will, not all of it. You need to try and keep the velocity up because it's a small port engine. The reason is because it's trying to get the gases out and keep it at speed to get it out of the combustion chamber quicker. So that is a second discrepancy. Now I hope that solves some of the issues from the previous video. I will be doing a lot more research on porting and polishing and get a better overview of things. As I've said before, I'm a beginner. I'm learning this process all from scratch, and hopefully you might learn something too. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you in the next one.